Mosimo Maxwell.
Mosimo Maxwell.
Yeah, but commonly known as Max. That's the business name. Yes, please.
Okay. Which we're going to do. What is running, and that's the documentation of that. Now the law is very clear. Section 59(1) of the Land Act. If land is already owned by another person or authority, it's not available for the district land board to give to any other person. That land, if it is given to another person, that transaction is void under section 59(1)(a) as amended, and therefore cancelable under section 8. So I'm going to use now my authority to cancel your freehold title because you have come after the land, when the land still had a right. Now, can you tell us that there was no running lease when you got your freehold title?
Thank you, Honorable Minister. And I title that I acquired by means of transfer.
Transfer from another person.
From another person.
Yes. So, doesn't matter. Once the basic root is faulty, any other thing, so, you can't give a title which is greater than what you have. So if one had a void title under section 59(1)(a), whatever you get is void. So that's why we are saying, I am saying, basing myself on the law, your title is void, and therefore I'm cancelling it.
Honorable Minister, I'm going to say something.
Yeah, you must say.
Yeah, I think I'm of the view that you would originate, you would look at the history of this land. If one had a legal offer, what led to its cancellation? I will not participate. But at a later time, somebody approaches me, he's selling a piece of land. Many people bought, it's not only Maxwell. This title, the freehold, is a mother to over.
You see, you can say that is cancelled.
Yes,
is a lease title cancelled under what condition?
That's what I do.
Yeah, it is not, I'm telling you. So I'm telling you whatever I got was illegal. And therefore I'm cancelling it according to the law. But if...
Honorable Minister, I want to ask you, Max.
Yes, please.
Do you agree that there was a house here, there was another house there, and another house here?
But by the time of purchase, I did not see it, and I'm not aware.
Why did trees grow in those places?
By the time of planting, it wasn't there, and that's why I did not plant. But me,
okay, Mama wants to ask you something. Mama,
yes. I'll do the request I answer one question by one.
No. He's the minister. You know him?
Very well.
Yes, he represents the president here. So he says, listen to that question.
Mama ask
add this to the question.
I'm asking you, have you ever bought plots from me as the owner of this land?
I have never bought plots from her as owner of this land.
Before?
Never from her, from this plot, from this land. Never.
But from other land you bought?
Unregistered land.
From her?
Unregistered.
Where?
The other side along the main road.
Same
I have
title.
receipts and she has receipts. Untitled, unregistered land.
Max,
She has a copy of my receipts. I have copies of her receipts and agreements.
That happens.
Yes, please.
which one is registered? We call registered. Which area?
Sorry?
Which area are you calling registered, which is not under the title of this?
I've said, Honorable Ministers.
Okay, let me cut it short. Whether you bought from another person or not, the title you have, the freehold, was under a void transaction. As declared under section 59(1)(a) as amended of the Land Act. Once it is a void transaction, whatever, whether you bought from one to another, whatever title is void, therefore cancelable under section 91. So that's the law, and I'm not amending it now. What I'm requesting you now, do your write-up very quickly, because in the course of the next 1 or 2 days, if I don't get any contrary view, I've made a decision to cancel. You can help reverse that decision. If you show that the transaction which brought up your mother, your title from which boat, was not under void transaction. If you bring that information to me, then a contrary action will be taken.
And
But
also,
as of the
and
information,
also, Honourable Minister, the same type you see now in our discussion, she told you she gave part of the land to the town council.
yes.
The
Now-
one where you seeing buildings.
Now that is part of the land, Max.
That is my land because I'm the one who was selling. And
Wait, the old woman.
I was selling and give them agreements, and of which he accused me to the land, to the district that I'm selling twice. As a buyer, he is living. He bought first one on Jesus is the same. No, Kigumba, Kamaso Street. He bought on 5 residential plots at Jesus Street.
These two titles.
At Jesus Street, where he built a primary school. And he brought his wife. I sold her a plot of 3 plots for nursery school. Aren't they there?
Max, is that true?
Partly true.
No. Did she sell to where you built those buildings?
Unregistered land.
No, I'm saying, did she sell it to
Sold,
you?
but
Unregistered land.
unregistered, untitled. Yesterday she presented the copies of my agreement to the RDC. Do they indicate
These are the titles you have.
Max,
Sorry.
the
These are the
title.
titles.
Sorry.
My land title starts from Kampala to Gulu Street
I'm not from the
to the other one. I'm
But,
going
Bring your
tomorrow for
photocopies.
Yeah.
photostat copy of the real.
So, understand until you bring those tomorrow. As I told you, bring more of those titles because you cannot have a title, and we have to clean the country. We have to cleanse that. It's even you lose in this process, but the country must be cleaned up. A message must go out that you don't go and fraud and live on fraud. You know what they are doing? They buy, then change it, sell immediately, and then proceed to say that they have got a good title, third-party purchase. But this is a public land, and it's very clear when public land is sold, when there's still another running lease, that's a void transaction by law.
Actually, what you are saying, Honorable Minister, could have led to cancellation of her title. She got a title from the hearsay. I'm not authority to say this. She got a title over a running leasehold. That history I don't know, and I was not a party to
No,
it.
you don't know,
Yes.
and you don't know whether
And
that
I-
allegation is
That's
correct.
what I'm saying,
That allegation is not correct.
This,
From
I
the
want
fact,
this
to inform
Peter
you, Mr.
Adriga, isn't it?
Max.
The owner, the initiator of this freehold, and the one who laid the cancellation of her title.
yes, and
Should
the
it
title
be-
were done when there was an interim order.
There was an interim order.
Madam said all these
So
things.
that is a transaction which
So any
is
legal
void.
transaction is void.
It's then and you go yours in writing
Yeah, we need
and
to
see if
verify
you
whatever
can
that is being
do it
said.
very fast. Equity helps the diligent. Be diligent, by close of tomorrow, get all the information.
I'm requesting-
Otherwise, the decision of taking now
I'm
to
requesting,
cancel these
Honourable Minister,
titles
that
will
tomorrow
stand.
I'm requesting-
Actually, what is going to happen, Max, as government of Uganda, we will make another title for the old woman, and we shall come as government to hand over her title here in the presence of the community
Yes.
and in your presence.
Honourable Minister,
I think
Malam,
that has concluded it.
the same government of Uganda that cancelled her title. And I would suggest
Auntie said,
that before we go very far,
Maxi,
we dig the
Maxi,
history
I want you
of
to create a
this.
corruption.
I don't know.
There is what we call
I've never
corruption.
been a minister, I've never been a commissioner. Me just, I'm invited by the way she said, Max, I'm selling land here. Come
No,
and
you'll
buy,
sue
and I
that
pay.
lady, you'll sue the one
Who sold you air? Who sold
sue
you?
her.
You
You are
sue
going to
and
sue
get
her
your
and recover
title.
your money.
Otherwise, this one's we have made a decision to cancel.
I have promised I will put my
more
defense.
light about.
Allow this fraud to continue in our land system.
I'll put
And
my
that's what we have
defense.
been going through all
And you know,
the
Honourable,
way.
the same problems you have everywhere.
Don't be
You go to Kawa's place there in Bulisa, the same problem. You go everywhere, it's the
Don't
same
be
problem.
surprised that you might be defending a wrong person also. I
Now
don't know.
listen,
We are
don't-
looking
don't
to-
start making allegations here. You do as
Make
you
your
ask.
facts.
bring
Omukaikulu ina file ejo atuwaire. All these are all some of these are documents. Now also prepare yours. The minister will look through. The minister is a lawyer.
Minister, that's what I'm requesting.
I've given you
It is
that.
going to land office. When you tell me the closure of tomorrow, it will receive the unexpected.
You don't need to go to land office. You have your title. What a chapa shawe chonka.
I am the Minister of Lands. I will see, I can call for the information. You bring what you have.
I have no problem.
Yes, by tomorrow, by close of business tomorrow, I want it.
I have no problem.
Yes. Otherwise, my decision stands to cancel all the other titles which were given under a void transaction.
And reinstate her title.
And reset all the record, have her title back. Then she can give one whoever she wants. And you can get your money from whoever sold you a void title. I think that's okay. We have finished here.
Honorable Minister, I want to, which was given to me starts from the road up there. When we were called as the servants of the Lord at Kayanja's place, we presented our problems. We can't have land for our churches. We are just there and there and there. The President himself advised us, please, if you have land, get a piece, give it to the church, and operate there peacefully. When I came back, I changed this place and put it under the ministry. There are Sovereign Lord, the owner ministries, and the church. The whole land. Then I said, let me get off a piece near the road, because I planned it through land office and give it to the public to enjoy the surrounding of town. But still I was the one who's selling. So my land should include the whole land, because that one I know.
That's what we are restating. Yes.
I bought 2 plots. One sits in Max's land.
Max has no land.
Because for now.
So don't worry. The minister is in charge of land. He's in charge of all land files. He has heard this. I've never met this mama. The minister neither has ever met her. They found us in our DC's office, gave us a point, and we got to understand. So now it's upon